Hi everyone, it's Russell here from The Presenter. I hope you're well. A quick update for those of you out there who are already using Prezi. You can now benefit not just from using the Prezi software itself, but from the brand new feature that has just been released in the last week or so, and that is the ability to access over 500,000 icons and background images directly inside the Prezi software. Let me show you how that looks. So the first thing we'll do is start a brand new Prezi presentation, and I'll just randomly grab one of the really amazing templates here. This one will do fine. And now what you can see is once we are inside the Prezi software, over here on the right hand side we immediately have a huge selection of background images to choose from. And at the very top of that, of course, is a search box. So let's say we want to talk about our sales report in terms of being a journey that we're still traveling along or upwards on. Then maybe we want to include a nice visual of something like a mountain. So let's just grab one of these here, double click on it, and you'll see that the background image will change straight away. There we go. So that gives me the chance then to kind of reframe how I talk about my sales report, and it enables the audience to really kind of engage with that story. It gives me a really nice theme to talk about. Again, I can change to something else really quickly by just clicking that image. Maybe get rid of this lady here. There we go. So different type of sales report. Maybe we want to finish up this presentation or use the theme of kind of looking forward into the new year or something like that. So it's always really important to make sure that you frame the way in which you're communicating your content with your background image, and this is what we call a visual metaphor. We used to call it the big picture in Prezi, but I think everyone is more familiar with the term visual metaphor. So something that gives meaning to the kind of overarching aim and objective that sits behind your presentation. So that's background images. You have access to a huge library of those. And what I want to show you now is some icons. So I'm going to just quickly add a new section here. And I'm going to go into the insert menu at the top, and I'm going to choose icons and symbols, and now you can see that on the right hand side we no longer just have two different styles. There are lots and lots of different styles to choose from, and of course again there is a search box at the very top. So let's just type in something like teamwork. There we go, and there's again lots and lots of different icons. Let's grab this one. This one looks really nice. Fantastic. So using this icon we can talk about teamwork. Again, we can maybe use Prezi to zoom into different parts of the icon, but this just means once again that you don't have to rely on dropping in lots of text or going to outside sources such as Google Images, finding images that aren't the best of quality and bringing those through into Prezi. You can now do everything directly inside the software, so a fantastic update. So I hope you found that useful. You Prezi users out there can now be extremely visual in your presentations, and there is no excuse now at all for inserting lots of bullet points inside your Prezis. You've been warned. And for those of you who've maybe been thinking about moving to Prezi, hopefully this fantastic new feature has just kind of reinforced the benefits that you can get from using Prezi for your presentations. So hope you found that useful, and if you would like a one-to-one demo or an online demo of that and other features inside the Prezi software, please feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn or just email me on russell@thepresenter.com. Take care.